Welcome back to another one. We're about to spray all the jams. So we got this jam, the fenders, the doors, the trunk, the hood, ready to go. So I already got the hard top primed off camera. As you can see, I had got some primer on the window, but it's fine. Just razor bladed off. But it's Thursday night. We're painting Saturday. Cody's coming tomorrow to help finish up, so I'm trying to get all this color on. So let's get to it. Next day out here, we got everything painted, cleared, untaped. I have started to put together the doors and start hanging them. Sorry for kind of not filming, I'm behind. We're painting tomorrow, Cody's coming tonight. We still got to sand, there's still some spots I got to fix. So I'm getting these doors put together, hanging them. The trunk, the hood's got to go on, fenders got to go on, all that's got to go on. So I'm gonna get to that. So let's get everything on the car. Well, it is almost 12:30 and we've got the whole car sanded down. We've got little spots that I missed fixed. I missed a big spot back here. We also got the kit, the hardtop ready. Just got to do the skirts. I am about to wipe this with some Bondo and get it ready to go. But we ran into an issue. So my compressor belt snapped. Oh, thankfully the motor's still good. It sounded like that thing was knocking. When it came out here, just the belt's ripped. So Old Faithful is still good to go another day. We just gotta get a belt. But we still needed to prime some stuff. We also needed to sand some stuff. So this kind of sucks. Also had some other stuff happen. I dropped my DA and the fitting broke off inside of it. Just little things. But we got a lot done and we're still on for tomorrow. We're just going to load the car up and finish what we need there, paint stuff while we can. So I really appreciate Cody coming out. He just left. Cody does painting for a living, so he did that. Came straight here after that and then did more, so really appreciate you, Cody. I'm gonna finish this up. I'll see you in the morning to load the car up. The point.
Thanks, Cameron. Means a lot.
I'll here for you.
So now we have to talk terms. You give me $50, I'll make sure those bills go through. Oh shit, the camera's on. It's alright, he doesn't go back and read anything anyways.
Gotcha, bitch! This is gonna hit time lapse.
He'll just come back. What happened, guys? Fill me in. I'll start all that.
You start wherever. I'm just gonna follow you.
You always want to start at the same one.
She looks good.
I'll make that flat.
Alright. Oh, we missed the dent.
Huh?
We missed the dent. Oh, two of them. Oh well.
It's a little late for that.
Go ahead, get the 20 on it. Or just put a little pressure on it.
Oh, my boss says, he say, oh yeah, that block out.
I'm not gonna get there. Every time. I got it on camera this time. Yes. Well, you know what? Is that a damn gnat? You son of a bitch. That's probably the one I was trying to kill earlier. Want some tape? You son of a...
It's alright, Ryan let a stink bug in on Cam's car. Oh, he's in there. Oh, that's something.
Oh. You know what that is?
That's character.
That's a... No animals were harmed in the making of this paint job.
That's not. I'll just give you a little bit of clear back there, you know what I'm saying, buddy? That one's on to hell. This is top notch right here, okay? This is how they do it around the world every day. This is how they're fixing your Camrys, folks.
I really hope it's picking up on this sound.
Maybe not like this, but we'll carry it.
We're finally back at home with the car. Stressful drive. Loading all those fresh painted parts into the car stressed me out. Scratched my side skirt, but I think it's okay. It's just, it seems like it's in the clear, so it should be good there. But everything's back home. Car's back home. Parts are in my back shed. I'll show you in a second. And I am so happy. I'm so pumped. It looks so good. There's a couple trash bits all throughout the paint. Not too bad. Cody did an awesome job laying the paint down. It's very flat, nice. You can see you're facing it like a mirror, which is good. So hopefully later on, maybe we can get all the trash out, buff it, slick it up. But for a homemade paint booth, it was kind of expected to get some trash, so I'm not even mad. I don't care. I just wanted one solid color that looked great, looked good drifting, and I've got that. So I am happy now. And let's see if I can maybe find some trash spots, just so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. Right there's a little trash. So it's just little spots like that. You really don't notice them unless you're looking or you got an eye for it. So normal people, they're not gonna notice it. We did, which y'all probably saw the video, but yeah, there it is. Bug came in like a 747 right there, but hey, you can't even tell. So, and after the fact, that little guy flew in and got stuck. So, oh well, it happens. But overall, fantastic paint job. Cody did awesome. So Cody ended up spraying the whole outside of the car. I got scared when I sprayed the hood and I got a lot of trash in it. And I really don't want this car to look trashy. I want it to look good. I'm gonna be drifting all the time. A lot of people are gonna see it. So I opted out to let him do it all, teach me as much as he can. I tried to mentally take notes of everything he did, how he was spraying, taping up, the whole 9 yards. I tried my best to learn. So hopefully when I paint something next, I'm gonna do it all by myself, spraying everything. I mean, I'm sure Cody will come anyways and just assist, but I'm gonna be spraying the car. But for now, I'm happy. I mean, I did a bunch of work to that. I've got it basically ready for him to come and help me scuff it down. And yeah, so I don't feel bad for letting him spray it. It does kind of suck. Was looking forward to it, but it is what it is. It was a learning lesson. Thanks again, Cody. If you're watching this, I really appreciate it. You did a kick-ass job. And just a disclaimer, before any of y'all go message him asking for a paint job or anything, 1, be expected to pay a lot. 2, he doesn't have a paint booth, so you've got to source a paint booth for him if he was to spray it for you. So keep all that in mind. Also, this stuff isn't cheap. So if you're a cheap ass, don't even try talking to him. Also want to say thank you to Shay, which is my homie that let us use his paint booth. He's the one that built it himself. Appreciate you letting us stay, use all your stuff. Hope we didn't make too much of a mess. I tried my best to clean up. So again, thanks for letting me borrow it. With all that being said, I'm exhausted. I need to get this video finished. I've had like 9 hours of sleep in the past 3 nights. So I'm going to end it here just to kind of recap what we need to do next. We got to do the engine bay. We've got to cut things up. We need to get my motor on a stand, go over it, make sure I don't have any leaks, which I'm pretty sure I do, and address them and get it ready to put back in the car. So the plan is to go to NSS for the first drift event. NSS is the National Super Speedway for people who aren't local. They're having a drift event on the 16th or 17th of April, and I'm trying to drift that. So that's the goal. Let's get it done. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good night.